All right, let's take a look at question number 9 on the FS practice exam. This is an example. So we've got, on an aerial photograph, a bridge measures 7.3 inches. On a map that has a scale of 1 to 8,500, the same bridge measures 10.34 inches. At the bridge site, what is the aerial photograph scale? Let's write down our variables that we know. So the scale of the map is equal to 1 over 8,500. We know that the bridge on the map is equal to 10.34 inches. And we know that the bridge on the aerial is equal to 7.30 inches. All right, and we're looking for the scale of the aerial, right? This is just simple cross multiplication. So I'm gonna set up the formula. So let's go scale of the aerial over scale of the map is equal to the bridge on the aerial over the bridge on the map. Therefore, this is equal to the scale of the aerial, which is what we're solving for, over 1 over 8,500 is equal to 7.30 over 10.34. Okay. All right, now then, we've got scale of the aerial over 1 over 8,500 is equal to, I'm gonna do some math right now, so 7.3, and then 10.34 divided, and we've got 0.705996. I'm just gonna go out that far. You don't have to. All right, so then we do our cross multiplication so we can solve for the scale of the aerial. So therefore the scale of the aerial is equal to 0.705996 times 1 over 8,500. That means the scale of the aerial is equal to this times, let's do that right quick. So we've got 1, we're at 8,500, divide that. So we've got 0.0001176. All right, now we just kind of multiply those out for the scale of the aerial. So the scale of the aerial is equal to, let's see, that times 0.705996, and we get 0.12348306. Just gonna go out to that much. Now we have to convert that to a fraction that could possibly be one of these up here. The best way I like to do that is basically take this number and start multiplying it by your answer choices up here to figure out which one is closest to a number 1, because that's what you're looking for, is if this times 10,000 equals 1 or 0.99999 or something close to a whole 1, that means that's your answer choice. So I'm gonna take that and we're gonna go with, just start at the top, 10,000. We get 0.8305. So this is equal to 0.8305. Let's take that one. All right, so let's take 0.12348306 and go 12,000. And that's 0.9967. That's pretty close. 9967. All right, let's try 11.5. 0.12348306 times, oops, and then 11,500, 0.955. So that's a little lower than that one. So I know 11.5 is not correct. I know 10,000 is not correct. And this being 0.9967, I would say B is the correct answer. 14.4, we'll check it, but for how close 12,000 is, I don't believe that's going to be correct. So we've got 14,400 right right, 1.196, so nope. That is too high. So the correct answer would be 1 over 12,000. All right, hope that makes sense. Be sure to like the video if it helped you and subscribe to the channel for more content.